going to be visiting all the stations on the Falmouth Docks Branch Line, which was the first one will be getting the 1515 service, which was really running to Falmouth Docks, which was the 15216. I know there are two coach between it. And we're currently here at Truro, which has 3 platforms running to Great Western Railways, and was opened in 1859 by the Cornwall and West Cornwall Railway and received 1.1 million passengers last year. And it was resettled a few years ago, and we saw the removal of the 746 lane here. It's now all colour lights signalled from Exeter Power Docks. We have made it to Penmere, which was opened in 1925 by the Great Western Railways and received 0.176 million passengers last year. We're next going to Penryn, where it's got an unusual layout, because both trains pass like they use the same platform, which is quite an unusual layout. And I'll explain how that works when we get there. We have made it to Penryn, which was opened by the Cornwall Railway on the 24th of August 1863, then was resited in 1920 on the 24th of June 1923 by the Great Western Railway, and then on the 17th of May 2009 they opened the extended platform to restore a task loop here in this odd layout where all trains use the same platform, but it's just a really long shared platform between the two trains, and it got 0.22 million passengers last year. And we're going to Falmouth Town. We made it to Falmouth Town, which was opened by British Rail on the 7th of December 1970 to replace Falmouth Docks, because they cut the line back from Falmouth Docks to Falmouth Town in the 1970s. It's got one platform managed by Great Western Railways, and it goes to a half-an-hour shuttle service. It was renamed Falmouth Town in 1989 when they re-extended the line back to Falmouth Docks. That's the Falmouth Branch Line, which was branded the Maritime Line. We've made it to Falmouth Docks. That's what's in there. Falmouth Docks was opened by the Cornwall Railway on the 24th of August 1863. Then it was closed by British Rail on the 1st of December 1970, replaced by Falmouth Town. And then on the 5th of May 1975 it reopened. At that point, Falmouth Town was renamed The Dell. Welcome to Perranwell, which was opened on the 24th of August 1863 and was originally just known as Perranwell, and the well was added on the 14th of February 1864, and it was opened by the Cornish Railway, the Cornwall Railway Company, and Perranwell only looked 35,000 passengers last year. It normally gets a half-hourly service apart from in the peaks, when it gets a half-hourly service. So I've come in the peak so I can take advantage of that half-hour service, because normally every other service skips here. So this saves time, and by making that really tight connection at Falmouth Docks, because that unit, that train had just worked the service we got off at Falmouth Town. We had a couple of minutes at most at docks, so it's really tight, but it saves 30 minutes, which is a win, which means I can do something else in those 30 minutes. Enjoy that visiting every station Maritime Line edition. We're just waiting for the train to take us back to Truro, and then that'll be done.